All right, hey team, so once you log in to your portal, this is what it looks like, right? You're gonna click on Big Ideas and it should log in. If for some reason it doesn't, you just close it out and you come back and you reopen it. And sometimes it takes 2 or 3 times. So notice all my classes are listed here because I've made the book available to them. So I'm going to go assignments, and you're going to want to know what assignment you're going to do. I already got this ready for Thursday, but I'm going to go ahead and go to create an assignment. That was the pencil. And let me scroll down. So we're in chapter 8, rational functions. So that's the first thing. So we have 8.2, graphing rational functions. Okay, sorry. I was trying to look through my phone. So here we go. You're going to click assign. And notice we're going to ignore my previous one because I'll just delete one. And so we're going to add an assignment here. And let me scroll down. So when you add an assignment, so again, you won't have the one I already have in there. But when you add an assignment, you're going to start with step 1. Makes sense, right? And you're going to click all of the ones you want. So for Thursday's assignment, I want 3, 5, 7, 11, and 21 through 24. And then also 33. So I'm going to get all those. Now, it should already say need help. That should be checked off. You want to go ahead and do live tutor, calculator, and next to Desmos, go ahead and click graphing. And I'm going to go ahead and make this 4 times. Usually I've been making it 3 times, but just because, you know, it's been a minute since they learned, I'm going to give them 4 clicks to check their answer and hit next. And then what's going to happen is it's going to show you the class that you're currently on. So I happen to be on my 5th period. I'm just going to go all students. Next. Then here I'm going to click on the date and I'm going to start it on March 26th. And I'm going to do it at 7 a.m. So 7 a.m. That's my start date. Now choosing the due date, I'm going to do until Tuesday. That's the next time we're giving them an assignment. But they'll have to have it done before Tuesday because it is at 7 a.m. also. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to name this something. So I would call it assignment number 2, distance learning. So that's DL. And then I'm going to put graphing rationals. And it kind of helps you too to have some kind of title there. Next, if you want to, usually what I'll put is show all work and turn in your sheet of paper. So this time I'm going to say, because I'm not even sure if there's any work to show, but all right, show any work and send picture through email. Now I know our emails are going to blow up, but you know, you can look, you cannot. They probably won't even send you a picture, especially for this assignment. So next, and then, so it's assigning to my 5th period as of now, but I'm going to click add a class, and I just have to, all this is the same, so I'm just going to click save and add another. And then click it again, save and add another, save and add another. That's all my classes, so I'm out, so I got to cancel. And if you notice, they're all listed here. So I have my original class, which was 5th, that I'm on right now, my 3rd period, my 6th, and my 7th. That's all my classes. And I want to continue to the queue. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click assign. Okay? So assign. You have to click assign to make it work. So I'll click it and I'll press assign. And now you're going to notice that I have the exact same thing twice because it's the 2nd time I'm making this video. So you can go actions. You won't have it here twice. I'm going to actually delete one of these real quick, just because they're exactly the same. So on yours, you're going to be able to go to actions. You're going to be able to preview it, and you can preview it with answers if you want, so you can see what you're hoping they're going to put as answers. And you're going to see, okay, multiple choice options. I'm going to call him back in a second. Lial's calling me. So now everybody knows I declined that call. Sorry, guys. So here we go. So there's the whole assignment. It's not really that long. It's pretty easy. That's just transformations. So, here we go. So now you see what it looks like. In the future, if you ever wanted to print it, you could do that. Or if you have a printer at home. I just went back to this tab, and I'm also, if I need to edit it, I can. Don't go to the Google Classroom. Don't try to post it that way, because it doesn't let the kids log in correctly. So that's not a viable option. You're going to notice there's their overdue assignments. So this file, once it's overdue, it'll move into that. Now, if you want to get a report, what you're going to do is you're going to go to reports, and notice it has lots of options here. And so I can click that I want to export class performance report, because I want to know how my class did. So we're just starting this. Obviously, there's not going to be any assignments right here. So I'm going to do an old one just so that you guys can see what it looks like. So here we go. I haven't really realized what the difference is in raw scores and percentages, but there we go. I'm going to go to my reports, and here's my report, and it only does this per class period. So I want to download this, and then I want to open it. This video is long, sorry. And open Sesame. So, okay. Well, apparently there were no assignments from that time to that time. So, had I have had an assignment, it would have popped up in here. And, maybe I picked the wrong dates. But anyways, so it exports to a file, to an Excel file, and you can see those assignments. So I'm going to try it again, just in case. You do have to do it with every class. It'll come up separately. I'm going to do this new one that I just did. And here we go. So now you can see I have some assignments in here. Yeah. But yeah, so you can see it comes up with their last name, their first name, their student ID. Sometimes it's not in the same alphabetical order as the drive. So sometimes it'll just list like a Gomez and a Gomez, and they'll be like switched. Like these Madrids are definitely switched on Gradebook. So you gotta be careful with that. And then, so notice mine always comes up this way. But if it's a 1, it's a 100. So you multiply all these by 10. So that's like a 90, that's a 97, you know? That's a 73. So, yeah, that is how you access this. I would definitely wait until Tuesday to upload that, because hopefully your kids are going to get it on time. But honestly, it's kind of a pain to have to upload that again and again. So, yeah. I think that about covers it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you guys. Bye.